So now this is going to be our breakfast for day 2 in Da Nang, and we are having this kebab street side. Yeah. Fortunately, Reshmi also have the vegetarian option, and I will try the non-veg option, which is pork.
Actually, Da Nang has a lot of.
This is like just 2 minutes from our hotel, and I'm very excited to try it. Our breakfast for the day, kebab. It's called Hello Kebab. Yeah, you will find him street side. Let's try. This is for me, and this is Rashmi's veg, and we are also pairing it with some cold juice. Now I'm going to try it. Very excited to try this. It has a different
Flavor.
like different masala taste that we have in India. थोड़ा अलग है इन लोग का मसाला.
ये लोग का मसाला ही क्या है?
बहुत crispy and juicy. Filled with veggies and pork. Very nice. I'm pairing this with juice, fruit juice. Perfect combo for breakfast. Very nice.
I'm from Tripura, and Tripura local has this thing called maktu, but here it's quite similar, but you will see in a small shop everywhere. Like, you have to take this thing. I don't smoke, so maybe I cannot try it, and it smells really bad, but see, you can find here in Vietnam too, this maktu. It's good. Like, one of my friends' mom designed everything here.
So now we are going to take a scooty for rent for the entire day. So यहाँ पे we got a very nice deal. यहाँ पे for one day you have to pay 100,000, and also 24 hours हो जाने के बाद they also give you 5 hours extra, and on top of that you can drop your scooty anywhere in the 3-kilometer radius. You just don't have to come to the same shop. You can also drop it in the 3-kilometer radius. So एक दिन का 100,000 plus 5 घंटा move plus 3 kilometer में you can drop. You can contact him. You have to extend for another day. I call you and I keep for another day. Is it okay?
Okay.
2 days, it's okay?
Yeah.
If I extend?
If you end one day, you wanna continue when you come.
Okay. Oh, in the middle.
Yeah, middle.
Okay.
Bike learning lesson.
Okay. Let me take it for a spin.
गिरा मत देना मेरे को.
And we drive on the right side of the road, right? Yeah. In India, we drive on the left side. Yeah. Let me try.
देखो, मेरा ड्राइवर चला रहा है. आई होप मेरा ड्राइवर सही चलाए. मेरे चला गया मेरा ड्राइवर मुझे छोड़ के. अभी मुझे बस डर है कि ये मेरे को गिरा ना दे, क्योंकि मुझे वैसे ही चोट लगा हुआ है. मेरा ड्राइवर कहाँ चला गया? मेरा ड्राइवर गुम हो गया, मुझे इधर छोड़ के चला गया.
ये गड़बड़ है बाबा.
Pet. So disinterested. Your house?
What are some of the places we can explore in Chennai? What should we explore in Chennai? Visit tourist place.
Cave.
Pagoda.
Cave.
Pagoda?
Yeah, and the market.
What is that?
Market.
Market?
Yeah.
Night market?
Yeah.
We went
Have,
yesterday.
Very good.
Anirban,
Yes.
will I be dead after riding with you?
Can't
Will I
guarantee.
survive?
Can't guarantee. It's quite hard to manage.
Really?
Yeah, it's not like the scooty that we have here. It's very heavier. You can see, right? It's very bulkier and heavier.
Then you can take this one. This Vespa.
No, I need this.
You want?
Oh, another dog.
Hey, Kadulu! 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 They look like goat. So this is the bike, and they had already a scratched one. This side no scratch.
You have to make sure that it has no scratch. Scratch
Yeah.
वगैरह नहीं है.
Yeah.
आने के बाद देने के बाद अगर कुछ हुआ, then
मुझे नहीं लगता ये कुछ बोलेगा.
Yes, this is how we begin our scooty journey. Okay, bye. I'll message you.
Yeah, okay.
So now we're riding.
Yes, my boy.
Oh God. First time. Don't do anything stupid.
If we die, we die.
Don't do anything stupid.
What's the point of having a boring life?
You have to ride in right. I guess we are in right, right?
You don't know right and left.
For them, left is the safer side. No, yeah. I don't know. I'm confused.
इधर पे right side में चलाते हैं. And comfortable and bulky. It's very nice. Nice. Only 100,000 for the entire day. 24 hours plus 5 hours free.
Just don't kill me. That's all.
Hopefully, we'll find out. The viewers will find out whether we survive or not.
Fill some petrol, food for our scooty. So let's see.
Roads here are so nice. Not even a single pothole.
And even they don't have much
Traffic.
bump.
Yeah, no speed bump, no pothole, very less traffic. Great. Oh. Okay, so now after taking a power nap and freshening up, we are now headed to the pool of this hotel. This hotel has a rooftop pool, and let's see, we want to take some underwater shots of the rooftop pool. Let's see. Oh, they have a little gym area here as well. See, the view from here is very nice. You can see the ocean also, and view of the ocean and the city. Okay, so here is how the rooftop pool looks like. Okay, view of the city from this, from the rooftop. The beach is over there. View of the city. It's right at the city center, hardly 5 to 10 minutes away. I think 10 minutes away from the airport. This is how the view of the city looks like. We are in Da Nang. Yeah, as you can see, the ocean is visible from here. This is the ocean. It's hardly like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes of walk from our hotel. I'm sure you can see the ocean there. This is the main road. So this was our room in Da Nang. It's a nice little cozy room, and it also had a rooftop pool, which was nice. See, the beach is like 5 minutes from here. There, I guess you can see the beach. It's just 5 minutes of walk. Here is the city view. This is the room that we had. It's really nice. I think it's a 3-star hotel. 3-star hotel here, and it was hardly 800 rupees, less than 800 rupees for the night. Here they have the cupboard. Here's the toilet, and we are now checking out. We'll be exploring Da Nang city and go to Hoi An at the night. So now we are checking out, and this was our room for last night. Yes. See you in Da Nang.